Mr. Silas Scott, a current resident of the Parkside Estates. Chief complaint, a FOIA, that's the Freedom of Information Act request for my entire tenant file, along with the health and safety policy that could be emailed or mailed to me. As it pertains to my housing inspection notes and my entire copy of the health and safety policy as it pertains to industrial chemicals, poisonous fumes, deadly gases, toxic substance, harmful pesticides and fungal bacteria. How come there was no health and safety literature mailed out to the residents and tenants regarding the asbestos warning alert, explaining the dangers of asbestos, to stay clear from these asbestos areas on the vacant units? There were some red danger signs posted with yellow caution tape. However, seen at some rehab construction areas sites at the Parkside Estates, and if danger notices were posted to the empty units, what about the occupied units that live right next door to these sites? Should tenants be concerned about their health and safety as well? And should we also be offered or be warned or concerned about wearing PPE masks and hazmat suits in these posted and sealed off areas, just like the rehab construction employees? And also, an unknown liquid substance is leaking from a damaged hose from my furnace. Once again, last time that this happened, my home was exposed to deadly, harmful carbon monoxide poisoning that could have cost me my life when maintenance failed to notice a broken valve. Also, my home is now infested with allegedly, I'm going to say allegedly, the new neighbors' roaches, and consist ongoing pest control treatments. Most of my belongings are infested and are still packed up in boxes due to the ongoing problem. These same allegedly new neighbors have 3 City of Inkster trash containers, and garbage and trash are all around them on the ground and blowing in the wind without trash bags, allegedly causing rodents. I was told by my property coordinator that I would need to provide my own boxes, and that Inkster Housing Commission will be assigning me a new unit soon. However, to try to, keep the numbers, if it's a such thing of the roaches going through my things or whatever, I don't know how many babies they can create at one time. I'm just trying to eliminate it. Thank you.
Did you put in a work order for the substance that's leaking? Because we just did like 100%. You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
you called when you did that?
I hate to call names.
No, just when.
Okay. It was last week. I was told that they were gonna come. Like after I called that number, they were going to come, but however, they ran into an emergency situation. That's understandable. And, I work on the weekend, so he said he'll come on Monday. However, I text back and I said, if it's Monday, can it be early on? But I didn't hear a response. But when I came in the building today to make my complaint, he stated that he'll take care of that today, and it didn't happen. So I guess he ran into another emergency, allegedly.
All right, I'm going to follow up on that, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
And that's why I told him that just was going to wait and talk to him.
Okay. So yes, as long as you are still under Inkster Housing Commission, your contract is still good for Lemoore, Denby, and any other properties that we have that have not converted to RAD.
Okay. In the future, aren't y'all gonna convert the RAD and for the 1, and 2, and Twin Towers?
Eventually, yes. So that's why you had multiple contracts, like a different task order, if you will, for each property. in the event of. So there was a clause in there that did outline
You know, we just had one
what the
contract for the
potential
whole,
was.
we had for the whole property.
It was updated earlier this year by procurement.
It was for the whole, it was for the whole community.
No, it was separated,
Okay.
unfortunately. Not to speak to that, you said August 13th, did you receive
You
notice
received the
in
email,
writing?
you received the email from Nicole Bentley.
And does your contract outline 30-day, what is?
Supposed
what
to
are
get a
the terms?
30-day notice.
Okay. Let's follow up on that.
Okay.
Thank you for being here, all your service.
This is gonna affect the residents.